name is Ahmed Askari. I am a student in A2 at Sceptre College. I also am the captain of the rowing team. Numerous competitions are held both nationally and internationally all year round. Recently, a competition was held in Malaysia. I was lucky enough to be selected and shortlisted for that event. Rowing is a sport that tests not only your physical strength but also your mental endurance. Lastly, I would like to thank Sceptre College for sponsoring me and providing me with such an elite learning opportunity. If you have a passion for rowing and want to excel at the sport, then this is the college for you to be in.